so in tune with nature that they'll make a bird sound, and they're talking to the bird, and the bird will show you where the honey is.
What?
Like, and then there's a pack of 50 dogs following us, and the dogs aren't pets; they're hunting tools, right? So the dogs are the first line of defense. They sniff it out, and I'm like, this is mental, right? It's like, oh, like I'm on a fucking insane experience right now. Never did I thought I would just wait. Why am I going home? So if I walk with one of the kids, Upu'une, amazing. It's a clicking language. It's like that kind of language.
Wow.